Next, some extra information I am giving, that molarity mixing. Molarity of mixing. Okay, now see here, I am taking 2 or 3 containers. Here I am taking 3 containers. One is solution 1, solution 2, solution 3. See, solution 1 having molarity M1, volume V1. 2 having molarity M2, volume V2, M3 and V3. But here condition is what? In all those containers, solute and solvent. Solute and solvent are same. Now when we mix these 3 solutions, then resulted molarity is M1 V1 plus M2 V2 plus M3 V3. That resulting molarity is Mr into V common, V1 plus V2 plus V3. So this is final solution. Final solution molarity is what? This is resulting molarity, that are, if you combine all these 3 values, then you get this value. So 1m means molar solution. 1m means molar solution. 0.5m means 1/2m, means semi-molar solution. For suppose 0.1 means 1/10. 1/10 m means decimolar solution. Next one, 0.01 means 1/100 m. This is called centimolar solution. Next, 0.001 means 1/1000 m, millimolar solution. In problems, there is a chance to ask centimolar solution of, like that questions will come. Centimolar means no need to get confused, that is 0.01 m. Okay, next one. Okay, next, one more formula I will give you. Molarity of dilution. See, I am taking solution with M1 molarity, V1 molarity, and I am doing diluting. V2 volume of liquid I am adding to the solution, then result is what? Molarity M2 and V2. Then the formula is M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. So this is the formula for molarity of dilution. Next one, relation between molarity and mole fraction. Relation between molarity and mole fraction. Okay, let's see here. Molarity formula is what? Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume in ml in numerator into 1000. This is the formula for molarity. Now density is equal to mass by volume. Volume is equal to mass by density. Mass by density, and also number of moles equal to mass divided by molecular mass. Mass is equal to number of moles into molecular mass. So we need to remember these conversions. Now for a solution containing A and B, one is solute, one is solvent, then mass of solution is equal to mass of solution see mass equal to what? Number of moles into molecular mass. Number of moles of A into molecular mass of A plus number of moles of B into molecular mass of B. See, number of moles and molecular mass of A plus number of moles and molecular mass of B. When you combine both, then you get mass of the solution. Okay. Next one, I am writing again formula of molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles. This number of moles is what? Solute. See, if you imagine that A is solute and B is solvent, then please tell me, moles of solute equal to what? Number of moles of solute A into 1000 divided by volume is equal to what? Volume equal to what? Mass by density. See here, volume of solution it is. Volume of solution. Then volume of solution is equal to mass by density. Mass of solution and density of solution. Now here I am writing that mass by density. Now again I am writing that Na into 1000 into density divided by mass of solution is what? This is mass of solution is moles of A into molecular mass of A plus moles of B into molecular mass of B. Now M equal to, you can divide both sides with Na plus Nb. Divide on numerator and denominator with Na plus Nb. Then please look carefully, I am writing clearly here. Molarity is equal to Na divided by Na plus Nb into 1000 into D divided by denominator. I am dividing with Na plus Nb into Ma plus Nb divided by Na plus Nb into Mb. So after dividing with Na plus Nb, result is this is. Now final molarity equal to, this is what? Mole fraction of A. Mole fraction of A into 1000 into D divided by, here also mole fraction, here also mole fraction. Here mole fraction of A, Xa into M, molecular mass of A plus Xb into molecular mass of B. So students, don't get confused. This is molecular weight. This is also molecular weight. This is molarity. This is molarity. So this is the relation between molarity and mole fraction. Next one, I want to give one more relation between molecular mass and relation between molarity and molality. Then I am doing this molarity divided by molality. Molarity formula is what? Number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters into then molality equal to what? So it is reverse. Weight of solvent W kg, weight of solvent divided by number of moles of solute. Then you can cancel this and this. Then result is what? Weight of solvent W in kg divided by weight of solvent divided by V in liters of solution. So this is M by M. Now look carefully. Here I will give some relation. Density of solution is equal to mass of solution divided by volume of solution. Now see here, mass of solution is equal to V into density of solution. Now one more thing, mass of solute is equal to, in previous I already told you, number of moles into molecular mass of solute. Then again I am writing mass of solvent is equal to number of moles into molecular mass of solvent. I already written in previous. Now come here, molarity divided by molality equal to weight in kg of solvent divided by volume in liters of solution. Now molality is equal to molarity into V of solution divided by W of solvent. See, this solvent also we can write like this: weight of solution minus weight of solute, weight of solution minus weight of solute. So we can write like this. Now already we know that molality is equal to molarity into volume of solution divided by weight of solution. Solution how much? Weight of solution how much? This is V into D of solution minus weight of solute is what? N into M naught of solute. M naught means molecular mass. Then molality is equal to M. V get cancel here, V cancel, and here denominator V will come. See, I will write expression d minus d, density of solution minus n by v. So n by v, this is a solute and this is solution into m naught. This is also solute, m naught of solute. Now finally m divided by d of solution minus, see, number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution is what? Again molarity into m naught of solute. So this is the expression or relation between molarity and molality. See here, molality is equal to molarity divided by density of solution minus molarity into molecular mass of solute. So our next topic is vapor pressure. See, I am not discussing the numericals. You can solve numericals yourself, otherwise video length will be more.